This video, I want to talk to you a little bit about this book, and specifically, I want to talk to you about a routine for using this book. We've come up with an acronym. It's COLDER, C-O-L-D-E-R, and it stands for Capture, Organize, Link, Develop, Expand, Revise.
The Accordion book is designed to give form to the evolution of your thinking and understanding over time. It's not meant to be a polished, finished product or a work of art. It's actually meant to be a continuous work in progress. So we came up with this acronym, COLDER, to help guide you in your use of the Accordion book, to help you mentor your students as they use their Accordion book to capture and present all of the science content that we're going to discuss in our workshops. This protocol is a 4-phase protocol. The first phase is capture, and really it's exactly what it sounds like. The most important thing initially is to collect and capture all of the information that's being presented to you. And it's not always going to be easy to make it pretty or to make it visual. You want to use methodologies that are the most efficient and that you are the most comfortable with when it comes to capturing. For many of us, that's just going to be taking traditional handwritten notes, capturing main concepts, and we can mirror the structure that we see in the slides when we're stuck for how to present the information visually. When working in a video, you have the ability to pause or stop the video to be able to take more elaborate or more visually rich notes, but in a live synchronous session, you're not always going to have that flexibility. So efficiency is the key when it comes to capturing. Phase 2 assumes that you are going to be revisiting your book in between our synchronous sessions, or in the case of your students, in between the meetings that they have with you. You may even want to dedicate specific time for them to return to their Accordion books and execute this next phase, which is organize and link. Organizing may be as simple as drawing boxes around key concepts or color coding every place that a concept appears, something like the concept of conduction that we talked about in our first science video. You may want to make that green everywhere that it appears in your book, and it will make it very easy for you to begin to find that concept all the way through your book. Likewise, you can begin to link concepts that are connected across your book, and you can do that by adding pages above or below the page that you're working on, or drawing arrows to connect content that is related but appears on 2 different pages. Phase 3 is all about developing and expanding. The idea here is we want to develop our thinking, and that could mean rendering new diagrams that better illustrate a concept that we only captured in words early on. We want to develop better examples of the concepts that are being discussed on a given page. We may actually want to take time to expand our book or expand our understanding through research. We can add pages to our book to make room for new ideas so we can physically expand. It could mean writing down questions that we have, or it could be developing our ideas around how we're going to address the challenge question. It may require you to physically expand your book to make room for all of the new that you're bringing. And developing and expanding is all about adding to what you've already written. You can add layers to a given page. You can add page extensions to the top, bottom, left, or right of any given page to develop your ideas further. Developing and expand is all about growing your ideas, growing your associations, and growing your understanding. Finally, we have phase 4, which is revise. This is one of the most crucial steps in the process. Revision is where we get better. It's where we test our ideas and make sure that they're working. The spirit of revision drives our entire approach to the Accordion book. The Accordion book is in a constant state of revision. This entire protocol hinges on the idea of revision and revisiting the book over and over and over again. We see these 4 phases as a cyclical approach to working in your book. These steps are going to be repeated over and over and over again over the course of the workshop, so you will continually capture, organize, link, develop, expand, and revise. Remember, the Accordion book is a work that is in constant state of evolution and growth, and the book is meant to reflect that. It is not meant to be a polished, finished product.